My husband and I bought this 2001 Mallard camper back in 2018. We have started ripping the old canopy off. This is what the roof looked like the day we bought the Mallard. This is before the demo. This is all the bathroom and one side of the camper. If you look at the bottom right of the floor of this photo, that is all water damage. More pics of the bathroom. More water damage. The kitchen sink and stove was in this area. As you see in this photo, the kitchen cabinets are gone. Even more water damage, OMG. This is a short clip of what we have done so far. My brother-in-law was a great help when it came to remodel and replacing the floor. At this point everything was ripped out. One of many Lowe's or the Home Depot runs. The next few photos we are putting up the insulation. And more insulation. Walls are finally going up. The walls are looking good. A couple of these are out of order, but we will roll with it anyway. LOL. Almost done with the sheetrock. Who can guess what we are doing here? This will be a shampoo lounge. It is all coming together. If you want to see more and the finished product, let me know. More photos and videos will come. Like and subscribe.